What's up guys, I'm James, and welcome back to the Great Gambino Watch Reviews. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the SRPG35. Now I did order this from Long Island Watches, got a little warranty card over there, and they are very quick with the shipping. It came extremely fast. I've ordered many products from Mark over at Long Island Watches, never been disappointed, so definitely recommend it. But here's the box. This will just be a quick unboxing to show the product quick, and we will do a more in-depth review later on. Also special with this one, I'm going to be doing my first giveaway. We're about to hit 1,000 subscribers, so I wanted to do a giveaway on the channel, and this is what we're going to be giving away. So it'll be the first prize we do. So look forward to that. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. There is a quick initial look at the piece. I really like some of these Seiko 5 designs. That is Hardlex glass, Hardlex crystal. Seiko's proprietary, and you have a bead blasted, fully bead blasted case. You notice that we do have some drilled lugs, so it's quick removal, quick wind. Feels nice and smooth. Let's go ahead and pop the crown out and just get that out of the way quick. Let's take it off the pillow. And there's the strap. It does come on this nice canvas NATO. Pretty decent hardware, signed Seiko on the buckle there. Now, I don't upload as often on my watch channel. I try to stay somewhat consistent. I do maybe 2 videos a month because it is my second channel. I used to upload my watch review channel videos to my main channel, which is mainly virtual reality, vlogs, and travel, stuff like that, and technology unboxings and reviews. It's kind of a mixed bag, but watches, there wasn't much crossover in audience, so I decided to separate about a year ago and do strictly watches on the Great Gambino Watch Reviews. I have covered about 100+ reviews on the main channel. I wish I could just transport them over, but what are you gonna do? Sometimes you gotta start over and move forward from there. But let's take a look at the movement really quick. Just take that off. I'll be honest, I didn't even know this had a display case back, but there it is. And you have a little bit of branding. It looks like it says Seiko up there on the top. Nice piece. And I am sure this will be an absolute strap monster. By the way, I am wearing my 2021 Omega Speedmaster Hesalite. Really love this. Look forward to this as well. I'm going to be doing a 1-year review in about a month or two. I think that's when it will hit 1 year. And there it is on my 6.75 inch wrist. I think it looks really nice for around $220 at the time of making this video. It's a pretty good deal. And again, I will have the full review of this in the near future. Look forward to the giveaway, which I will talk about in the full review. Should be coming up soon. I have a lot of other products I filmed and reviewed at Feldmar's here in Los Angeles. So I've got a lot of really cool pieces in the pipeline to look forward to seeing here on the channel. So thank you for checking this out, and I'll see you guys in the future.